couple of years. She's so modest. Brother Ariel,
Yes, greetings. My name is Ras Ariel. That's my last name. A little soft-spoken, so if it's necessary, just one. I've been here 14 years actually. I came here when I was 28. I had a family, wife, 2 children with me, and like yourself, well, I had come prior to that a couple of times, but nothing really prepares you for a reality on the ground. And so I came to meet what I came to meet, which was reality. It wasn't all bad, it wasn't all good, but it was something that I could not have expected, that my family couldn't have expected, that none of us could have expected, that no one ever really does expect once they actually get in. However, it's made a man out of me. Yeah. I said it's made a man out of me. I am much the better person for it. I have absolutely no regrets. People seem to always ask that. Like the brother was saying, our value is restored. Especially as men, our value is restored. And that is nothing small. The opportunities that exist are vast and far beyond our ability to share in so many words. However, I will say this, a lot of us when we come are not necessarily business people, not necessarily investors. However, the government is set up, it sets things up in such a way that you more or less have to be an investor in order to return. That seems to be the only way through. About that, I would say, one shouldn't feel inclined to invest when you're not an investor. For instance, I notice a lot of us are in the retiree age. That's a wonderful way to come in. The security of a guaranteed check also allows you to be a legal resident. Once they know you are a retiree and that you have a steady income, they will facilitate you at immigration without requiring that you become an investor and such, which is something you should take into consideration. And then investors anywhere in the world tend to lose first before they gain. And for those of us that come from over there, we generally bring our all. And it's so easy to see how you can flip this in no time, but so much easier to lose it in less time. So about that, I say be very careful. If you are an investor, if you know what it is to play with money, to lose and to get it back, then get your feet wet. There's a whole lot of things to do. There's a whole lot of opportunities, and there's, like I said, no shortage of time to delve. Myself, because of the experiences that I had and because of my seeing things for the first time and being completely shocked by them, I felt it necessary to share what I was experiencing. So initially what I did was created a website, which I still have and which is still functioning to serve that purpose. The website is info-ghana.com. Its primary service is to provide people like ourselves who are coming from the diaspora into the land, Ghana in particular. The information is very relative to Ghana, although it's pretty much covers what you might expect when coming to Africa. It gets very specific. I also offer a course online that gives you the full comprehensive guide about repatriating, specifically that, just about transitioning. It's not something that you necessarily have to take when you are coming right away. It's something you can take many years in advance, something you can take just as a means of preparation. It provides you actual course of what it costs to live day-to-day business. I mean, normal things that everyone needs to know. And it is free of charge. It is information. It is my way of making sure I keep my scales balanced, because I'm extremely blessed. and I'm continually blessed. And I would like to see those blessings continue to flow. So I like to get rid of what I have that I can share. Aside from that, I got into, like Brother also said, I had the mind to do, I was always dealing with music on that side. I had a record store, and I thought I would do something similar here. But it didn't work, it didn't fit. The place is entirely different, the dynamics are completely different. So I left that, and I got into natural body products. I got into bath and body. It happened simply because I use natural products, and they have wonderful products here. The shea butter and the black soap are excellent products. But they have it in such a way, if you go to the market, where it's not the way I would like to take it. It's not the way I'm accustomed to seeing things. And so I figured that we could repackage it, we could enhance it, we can do certain things that make it marketable. And that's what I've been doing for the last 8 years in particular. I also, as a result of the website, offer services that I give to people who are coming, in particular with regards to purchasing land. I stick with an area. I have land in O'Brien, it's the mountains. When you travel around, you'll get to see O'Brien. O'Brien is just one of the more beautiful places here. It has its attractions, and so I stick with that area. And again, like I said, that's an entirely different business. These are two businesses that I actually have that I'm functioning. Well, it's three. The website is a business in itself because we actually do things through that website that generate income. But primarily we do, as I said, we sell land and we produce natural products. So these examples and my example, my sharing was just to show you that the possibilities are there. They are numerous, and you really can't get limited in your plans. Your plans, they will shift. You have to be very flexible. This place requires flexibility and openness and a heart to receive all that it has to teach, because it's going to teach it often.